ever see one of these at the gym? See somebody using them and wonder what they're for? These are clubs. This is the oldest workout tool in the world. Nowadays, there's a lot of people going around telling you that this is the most recent developed tool for working out. This is the oldest thing ever. This is how people were bashing each other over the head for thousands of years. This is how wars were won before anything else was invented other than maces. And now today, this is the newest trend of working out, which is a little bit silly. Where the heck did these things come from? They came from people who actually exercised all day. Warriors, wrestlers, in Indian clubs, things like that. They were used for centrifugal force, for releasing tissue and joints. Just like when you get injured or want to warm up, you do a lot of rotational movements. That's what this is. This is rotational movement. There's a way to line up and stretch your body out. There's a way to loosen up the joints and the kinks that you get from hard impact training. But this is not the only way to lose weight or to get in shape. Skinny people will use these 2-3 pound clubs and put on some muscle and swear this is the way because I'm into movement, man. But there's other ways to build muscle. This is just a way to release traction out some of the joints and connective tissue. This is a great way to build connective tissue. Everybody knows how to build muscle, but they don't seem to know how to build connective tissue. So we're talking about movement, extension, lengthening of the joints, full rotation. This is a great tool, but this is not the only thing that you should use to get in shape. I've yet to see somebody 300 pounds overweight use these to lose all their weight. That's gonna come from nutrition. Somebody who's gonna get stronger maybe will benefit by auxiliary exercises being done with the clubs at the end. But this is not the only way to get in shape. This is just something to use to help yourself when you're working out. Even using kettlebells isn't the only way to get in shape. There are movements that can hinder you from improving your performance. There are movements that can help you and benefit your performance. You have to figure out what you need and what it's for. But don't follow these trends and your head will explode and your results will go to zero.